Hey guys, it's Sarah. Today's video is going to be kind of a 4-in-1 organize, clean, rearrange, and decorate with me. I'm coming at you from my filming room. This is where I film my videos. It's where I keep all my makeup. It's also where my desk is, so I also edit my videos in here, and I also work for my regular job at this desk a lot of the time as well. I do work from home, so this is sort of like my office and my filming room. And so I thought I would take you guys along as I am starting to get this room actually set up. I've been living in this apartment for a little over 3 months now, almost 4 months. And so far this room has just been kind of like a makeshift filming area, but it hasn't really been set up in the most functional way. So I'm finally ready to actually get it set up to where it really works for me. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit, show you what we're working with, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so when you walk in the door, this desk is currently in the middle of the room. It used to be right over there, but I'm working on setting up an actual proper backdrop for my videos over here. So this is what it looks like right now. This is where my vanity is, and that's gonna stay there for sure. Yeah, I've got lights everywhere. It's a disaster right now, so I need to organize it. I'm gonna push this desk over by the window there so that it's out of the way. It used to be behind me in a lot of my videos, but that didn't really make sense because I actually want to use this desk for working and editing, and so it didn't make sense to have it in my background. And I have makeup all over the place from filming yesterday, also my printer. So I need to start by moving that desk over and then organizing this mess over here. Okay, so it's not perfect, but this area right here is looking much better. I cleared off all the makeup, put it all back where it belongs, and I moved my desk over here right next to the little kitty perch, printer, so that's great. I also forgot to mention that I also recently bought this small table that I'm gonna use in front of me while I'm filming, just to have any makeup sitting out, anything that I need while I'm filming will be right in front of me. I had been just using this little cart in front of me, but it's not exactly a good surface to be working off of, so I'm gonna put that together, and that'll go right here. So my chair, this chair, will go here, and then I'm kind of in the process of setting up this background. So I've got this snake plant here, and then I have these little floating shelves. These are like 12-inch shelves, actually solid wood, I'm pretty sure, that I got off of Wayfair. I will link everything that I can find down below, but these shelves are from Wayfair. This table is from Wayfair, that desk is from Wayfair. This chair I got for free off of Facebook, so can't link that, but I love this chair. It's a really cute, just like vintage office chair. That cart is from Michael's, the drawers are from Wayfair, and that vanity I got also off of Facebook, so I don't think I can link it, but anyway. So I'm gonna set up this table, and then we'll come back and do little final touches. you? Whoa, you found a pretty cool hiding spot there. Wow, that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at you. Wow, Heidi. Okay, so that took less than half an hour to put together. There were a few challenges, but for the most part it was pretty simple to do. Once again, you get what you pay for sometimes. This was definitely, I think it might have been like $40 for this, and this is like kind of smashed in right here. So I might ask them for like a partial refund. I don't really care to get a new part, but that is kind of annoying that it came damaged. Happens a lot with Wayfair, but I also tend to, the times it has happened have been the times where I've gotten something that was kind of cheap, so, but yeah. Anyway, it does the job though. All I needed was just a table to put in front of me that I could use to have like my mirror when I'm doing like a get ready with me. I can have my makeup out on here, and this cart will kind of serve, hey Heidi, this cart will kind of serve the purpose of like transporting whatever I need from over here to over there, and I can just keep this right next to here while I'm filming. Or would it fit under? No, it wouldn't, but that's okay. Yeah, so that'll just be right there so I can easily grab what I need. There's not much organization going on here yet, but yeah, so I'm happy with that. It feels pretty sturdy, and you know, it's good enough for what I need. It actually is smaller than what I thought I was getting. I thought it was going to be a little bit wider, but I actually prefer it to be smaller like this because I don't need something to be taking up a ton of room here. So this is where I'll sit to film, and so now what I want to do is just spruce up these little floating shelves that we installed earlier. When you're standing far back, they look comically low, and like, why would you put shelves like that low? But they're set up so that when I'm sitting here with the camera on, actually I'm going to shift this over a little bit, but when I'm sitting here, they actually are in frame. If they were up high at a more normal level for real life, they wouldn't be in frame, so. Okay, so this may change a bit, but I just put a candle. This, by the way, is a candle from Target. It's just from their like Opal House line in the Cozy Nights scent. It smells amazing. And then this is just a little rabbit kind of figurine that I think I got at like a TJ Maxx or Marshall's years ago. But you can find a lot of cute little stuff like this at places like that. So I thought that kind of fits with my channel theme, you know, cruelty-free. And this is just a succulent that I got from Aldi back in December. They had a bunch of these cute little succulents. It is real. I know it doesn't look real. This is the most perfect, fake looking real succulent I've ever seen. Like, there is not a single flaw on this thing. I don't know. It's kind of crazy, but there's that. And then behind me here on this side I have this snake plant, also from Aldi. Aldi's been having a lot of good plants in their rotation lately. But this is from like October or November. And it's on a little like plant stand so that it actually is showing. But yeah, I'm really happy with this setup. And you know, sometimes I won't be this zoomed out, like if I'm filming a look, you know, I'll be more zoomed in sometimes. But yeah, it's kind of crooked, but you get the idea. Okay guys, so quick overview. This is the vanity. Not much really changed over here other than now it's a little bit tidier than it was. But I actually have filmed some videos with this as my background. A lot of my recent videos actually have been filmed over here. And so I actually really do like the way that looks, so I may actually, you know, switch it up from time to time. But this will be my kind of official background, and I really am happy with the simplicity of this. I like that there's nothing like behind my head, so there's nothing there that you're kind of like, oh, what's back there? It just frames my face. So there's the plant, and then these little shelves. These are like 12 inches wide, by the way. They're very small. I didn't want them to like
look overwhelming. I may eventually put something else to go next to this on this shelf, but I didn't really have anything for now, so that's what it looks like right now. But I like that it's very me, but it's still very simple and minimal, and it's not overwhelming. And here's my camera setup. I don't always use those umbrella lights, and they're kind of collapsed right now, but they're there in case I'm ever filming when it's not daylight out. Of course, a lot of cords on the ground because it's just kind of unavoidable. And then here's my desk area. This is where I will edit videos and also do work a lot of the time. I also have a little printer there on the floor, cat litter box, and then more cat stuff. Every room has to have cat stuff, right? And then, yeah, and then we're back over here. So that's pretty much it, I think, for this video. I am so thankful to have this extra room. It's really spacious too, and it's been so much easier to have like a dedicated filming space. I used to film in my bedroom, which is totally doable, but I feel like I have so much more, I guess, creative energy when I have this separate dedicated space for my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this little like organize, decorate, set up this room with me video. Hopefully it was relaxing to watch, or maybe if you are also in quarantine right now like I am, like many of us are, if you're kind of sitting around at home a lot, needing something to do, now is a really great time to tackle those like home projects that you may not typically have the time for. So I'm really happy to finally have this room set up. For a while it just felt very unfinished, but now, and it'll still be a work in progress, like I'll still probably keep adding to it, and but yeah, for the most part it's very functional now. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. I have a playlist of videos that are similar to this, like organize with me, clean with me type things, so I will link that below if you're in the mood for this type of video. But that's all for now. If you enjoyed, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you again very soon. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, sometimes more. So anyway, I will see you again soon in my next video. Bye.